What is happening, ladies and gentlemen? Ty from Ty Drives with a GoPro strapped to my head. This is the 2026 Cadillac Escalade V ESV, and today we're going to be going for a test drive. Now, before we get it out on the road super quickly, I'm going to do a quick features walk around just on the outside, open a couple doors up. But if you want a full features walk around on every single little button, switch, touchscreen, things like that, check out my channel where I've done a full features review. You can see a link to that at the end. But here we go. Take a look at that presence. I mean, it's just such a cool front end look. We have a fully illuminated grille on the outside, illuminated Cadillac emblem. This one has the Onyx package and is the Aegean stone color, which is awesome. Obviously all glossy black, a little bit of a different front end for the Escalade V. We have LED headlights, night vision, Super Cruise sensors up front, and off to the side, 24-inch glossy black wheels wrapped in 285/40 all-season tires. So quite the wheel and tire setup, also quite the braking setup. 6-piston Brembo brakes in the front with giant rotors. Taking a look down the side, we have that beautiful blacked out V emblem, powered deployable running boards. We have power folding mirrors with cameras, illumination, blind spot warning, illuminated door handles with smart key entry. And the sticker price for this vehicle is about $179,240, I believe. So quite the sticker price, but as I said in the features review, quite the vehicle. Full LED tail lights, quad exhaust tips in which you could hear an exhaust clip on our full features review. We will get a little bit of an acceleration test on this vehicle too. We have 2 cameras at the back for your reverse camera and the reverse for the camera mirror. Quite the windy day today. And of course, our V emblem to finish it all off. And again, this is the ESV, so the longer wheelbase. And you'll see that difference opening up the trunk. Now, behind the third row seats, this is how much space you have. If you fold down the third row seats, that's how much space you have. And then you can even fold down the second row seats. So it's just a huge storage area. My camera bag looks tiny back here. And it's just a big, luxurious vehicle. A luxury in excess is what I'm going to say. Continuing on with that luxury in excess is powered doors. Unbelievable. We have a 36 speaker audio system, captain's chairs back here that are heated, of course. You have your own climate control back here, HDMI ports for our touchscreens, 2 of them, and a 3-prong outlet. Obviously plenty of room back here, and you could also slide back and forth the seats as well as fold them up so you can get in nice and easy. And we also have soft close doors. Just unbelievable to see powered doors on a new vehicle. 2-person memory seats up front. Again, the power folding mirrors. We have massaged seats, which are semi-aniline and quilted. You even have speakers in the headrests and the headliner. You can adjust your bolsters and shoulder support as well. On this side, we have adjustments for the driving mode, air suspension, and trailer brake controller with a powered steering column. Got the key in my pocket, so let's start her up. Gotta love that sound. You gotta love it. Gotta love it. We'll talk a little bit more about the powertrain on our test drive, but what we're looking at here is a different steering wheel for the V. It's actually more compact, so it's a smaller wheel than a regular Escalade and completely different styling. Metal paddle shifters and 55 inches of screen, which is just unbelievable. Down here we kind of have your door adjustments, climate controls. Up here we have like your touchscreen for your CarPlay and Android Auto and navigation, things like that. We have the digital camera mirror, A bunch of controls up here and a reconfigurable driver's display, which you can see the gauge, Google Maps, driver's assist, night vision, and the AR camera, which assists with the built-in Google navigation. But what do you say we buckle up for safety? Put her down into drive and see what it's like to drive an Escalade V. Alrighty, here we are driving the Escalade V. Now, ever since Cadillac came out with this car, it's always, for me personally, kind of just been like this halo car that I never thought Cadillac would actually come out with. I mean, the Escalade, you know, when they came out with this newer generation, was just out of this world. And then they decided to put a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 in it. And yeah, wow. I mean, not much more has to be said about that. But as soon as we get through our corner here, we have a nice straight road, not a lot of traffic. And we'll get an acceleration test here. Now what we're gonna do is we'll put it into the V mode here, which spices everything up. We'll leave the transmission in automatic, and we'll just kind of get it here at, you know, 15 miles an hour and just kind of give it some gas, see what we could do. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was not expecting that. Holy cow, what an animal this vehicle is. Can't do a really long acceleration test because this car is still being broken in, but oh my God, it is unbelievable. A vehicle that weighs this much can move like that. 6.2 liter supercharged V8, 682 horsepower, 653 pound-feet of torque. It feels like every bit of that. Unbelievable. Yeah, wow, I am still a little bit shaken up by by that acceleration. I mean, just no hesitation at all, just right down to business. Wow. Gear shift from this 10-speed automatic transmission. I knew this is just a wonderful transmission, just fast shifting, but man, that really popped off, you know, changing into, what was that, second gear or third gear there? I mean, it was just unbelievable. But yeah, 10-speed automatic transmission, and we also have full-time all-wheel drive system. So the normal Escalade, you could switch between two-wheel and four-wheel. This one is strictly all-wheel drive. I believe I could see the gas gauge going down when we did that acceleration. Oh my gosh, that is just so much fun. So much fun. And the most shocking part is, you know, this is by no means a nice road. You know, it's got some imperfections. It's not the bumpiest of roads out there, but what really takes my breath away is just how nice this Escalade rides with 24-inch wheels. I mean, this rides unbelievably well. You know, usually when you take away the sidewall and tire but give you some bigger wheels, you sacrifice some ride quality. Beautiful Impala there, but no sacrifices here. Really, it just rides unbelievably well. Truly just amazing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it into manual mode here, and I'm going to test out the paddle shifters a little bit. You got real metal paddle shifters here, and we'll get some speed in here, say 45. If you let off the throttle, shift down a gear. Let's give it some more RPMs here. You get some pops from the exhaust. I mean, this is just, it's just an amazing vehicle. I mean, a true feat of engineering to make all of this technology and performance come all into one and just work. It's just truly amazing. You know, you think about the sticker price, $180,000. It's a lot of money. That's for sure. You know, nobody's denying it. But the fact that just everything comes together and works beautifully, it's just amazing. It's truly just an engineering marvel on this car. At any RPM, you could hear the engine. It's not a droning noise. It's a very nice V8 kind of growl. Again, at any RPM, you could hear it, especially when you're on the throttle. The brakes, again, are 6-piston Brembo setup. And it does take some pressure to get this car to stop. I mean, this weighs a lot. I'm not quite sure how much it weighs. I would have to imagine, you know, close to or maybe a little bit above 6,000 pounds. And, you know, these large SUVs, Tahoes, Suburbans, Yukons, you know, they all require, if you're not used to it, a little bit more pressure on the brake pedal to get it to stop. You get a little bit of supercharger whine mixed in with that growl of the V8 noise coming from the tailpipes. It's just a symphony. I am so glad that, you know, here we are in the rear end of 2025, and a car like this exists. You know, with everything, you know, switching towards electric and 4 cylinders and 3 cylinders. It's just so cool that a car like this exists, and thank you, Cadillac. If anybody from, you know, working from Cadillac corporate is watching this video, thank you. It's not often that I have to thank you know, a company for producing a car, but this is one of those instances. It's just unbelievable. If I had the money, this would be the vehicle I drive. I wouldn't be interested in any sort of Range Rover or BMW X7 at this price point. It would be this. It would 100% be this. I'm just going to shut my mouth for a few short minutes so you can listen. It just sounds so good. And the amount of technology in this car, I mean, the Super Cruise, the night vision, I mean, it's crazy. It's just crazy. There's no other way to put it. And that pretty much wraps up our test drive. As you could probably tell by my comments and excitement, I absolutely love the Escalade V. Again, I think it's just an amazing vehicle. It's amazing that they even make something like this in the times that we're in. And I thank each and every one of you for watching. At this point in the video, you should be seeing our full features review pop up in your corner. So make sure you click and watch that video as well. So that you can see all the features this vehicle has to offer. I mean, in this video, we didn't even cover a quarter of it. But again, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you stick with us here on Ty Drives for more videos just like this one.